Hi friend, I hope you all are doing fine. In this video, we will going to publish our new game that is Wild Survey Island. So here we have been taken all the screenshot and feature images and everything here. So today we are going to publish our app in a Play Console with the app and every information we have been taken. So we will going to publish, and it has been an old account. So in that we are going to publish our app. So just we have been see this is an old account. So we will going to start with the create account. Here we will write our app name. So just click it on here, and it's a game and it's free. It's confirm and accept. It's take time because it's been new now, so it's been getting a loading. As we can see, here is a loading section it's showing to you. So after it's loaded, and it will going to get a refresh and it will going to open. So this is an old account, so we're going to give the basic information for our app, so like in a policy link and then everything. So here is the policy link, and save it, go back, app access. So our app has been not need of any logins credentials like that. And ad IDs, of course, it's contain the ads. Go back, content rating. Here we need to write our content rating, mail ID, and it's a game, and agree to the terms and condition. Just next. So it does not have any violence and security or dating or anything. So I will click as the no to each and everything. If you are mentioning anything, yes, and it has anything, according to that, you need to mention each and everything in your policy. You have to create, and your policy should be matched to the European law policies. Just go back, and targeting audience, it has been 18 plus. It's a news app. No, it's not even a news app. Data safety. This is the most critical part. Most of people face the problem here only. It's asking whether you are been collecting a data. Of course, you have been collecting data as you have been giving internet permission and you are adding an ad. Then you have been collecting a data. You may think that you are not collecting any data, but of course you have been collecting a data. And it is in a game, so we have been taking a data only with crash logging and diagnosed, and the devices or other IDs, because we are running a ad. So in the ads we need to have a devices ID. Based on that only they will going to show the ads. So what are the information? We have been taking information, but we are not storing here any information. So that's the reason for the what users we have been taking the information. You need to declare to the Google. If you are not declaring, then Google will be going to remove your app, or otherwise it will not going to get a live until you have to give them all kind of information to the Google. Okay, then next, then save it, then go back, then government app. No, it is not content of any government app. No, we are not giving any financial thing here. So just next. Map is not have any health feature here. And the basic details. So it's been a island that you have been rescued. So I keep it like a adventure app. And the tag also I will mention like in an adventure only. Adventure I will keep. So based on the tag and keywords only, your app will be going to it will going to utilize. Oops, sorry, I have taken the wrong information. The mail ID for the contacting to us, and website for the app.txt. So this is our website, but this is still in under maintenance. So just for the reference only we have been kept, but soon we will going to each and everything we will going to edit, and we will going to launch it. Set up your store listing. So here we need to write our description and each and everything here. Then I will write it my policy also here, policy link. Then app logo. So then we will upload our feature image also. Then we will add here also feature image. I'm doing little bit fast, so you can able to pause and you can able to see the videos. So where you can see here is a star mark. These are the important things you need to upload. This is a mandatory thing, and Google recently been launched. This is the Google Play games on PC also. We can able to upload these things also, but right now I could not able to take any pictures of this size, so I've been just ignoring those things. It's up to you because it's not in a mandatory right now, but in the future you require, you can able to upload those things and just save it. But soon I will make the videos on that also, how you can able to upload for the PC games also, because Google has recently launched that you can able to promote your games in the Play Store, and that games you can able to play on the PC also. So that is a new updated thing, but soon Google also releasing all the application to the for the PC also. These games you can able to see in the PCs also, but give to that you need to define all the images, and you need to change some policies and everything. In upcoming videos we will going to show those things also. Add all the countries here. It's depend, if it is your e-commerce, then if you are selling in India, then you need to click on only India, but I'm targeting to the all countries. And upload the ABB file here, and till that it's been uploaded we will going to write small description here. So I will remove here emojis, so it won't look good. So our app has been uploading here, ABB file has been uploading here. It's take time because it's going to upload, and it will going to read from the Google. If it is any problem or anything, the Google will going to show us what is the problem in that. So after reading that, we will going to go as next. So there is a no error, there is a no red error, but yellow errors are the normal thing, so it's not been much complicated. Go on overview. So here is going to show only one error, that we need to compile as a Android 13, that we need to declare that our ad policies. So yes, of course we have been adding the ad, so we have to declare yes, of course we have been taking ads here. So here I will get some time, whether you want to change or anything you need to have. Here is a 14 minutes it's showing. After 14 minutes, nearly like a 1 hour, it will going to get our app live, because it is an old console. So soon it will going to have. So just we will going to send the 15 changes for the review. After Google reviews, then your app will be going to live. So right now it says not send at the review. So just do one thing, just refresh your page. As you can see, it shows in the review. So if it is everything is okay, as policies and everything and description is okay, it's matched with the Google, then the Google will go into the live to your game. So that's the thing. I hope you people like, and if you need any kind of a service for apps or games or any task application for a ads campaign or ad agency accounts or 20 tester services, you can contact us. Thank you so much.